Video Part 2. What is meant by debtors and creditors? Debtors are also called as account receivables. They came to being exist when goods or items sold to customers on credit basis. On other hand, creditors came to being exist when goods or items purchased on the basis of future payments from sellers. What is meant by capital, revenue, assets, and liabilities, expenses? Capital may be defined as the money worth borrowed by a firm from its owner or owners. And revenue is the price of goods sold and services rendered by a business or firm to its customers. Assets are the properties and possessions of business. Both tangible have physical existence and intangible have no physical existence. On other hand, liabilities are the debts of business. What are the expenses? Expenses are the cost of goods and services used up in the process of obtaining revenue.
Introduction lecture completed. Get ready for a detailed study.